Hi guys. Kila, can you please mute yourself? Kila, you there?
மச்சான் நான் எல்லா டெலிவரியும் பாத்துக்கிட்டவா
ஏழை ஒரு ஆளை எங்க வேலை பாக்குறீங்க ஒரே எப்பயும் போல கடையில் அடைச்சா வருவாரு இதற்கிடையே கொடுக்க வேண்டிய டெலிவரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கல அது அப்படி அப்படியே கிடக்கு அவனு வர நான் போய் டெலிவரி வந்து
Hi guys. Am I audible now?
Yes, Abhi.
Hi Kishore.
Yeah.
Hear my voice?
Good evening all. Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
So yeah. So I have shared you a video, right, in our group. So how it is, whether you have done the installation or
I have not done anything, Kishore, because I'm not able to understand the language.
understand. Yeah, Sunit, you have messaged me. That is okay. No issues. Other than Sunit, have you guys done the installation by seeing that particular video or not? Please let me know. Okay guys, let us go ahead with the installation right now. Okay. Sunit, can you please share your screen so we can go ahead with the installation? So you have downloaded all the things, right?
That is correct. I have downloaded 12 GB of that Sendento.
Okay, please share your screen so we can go ahead with
Sure.
installation. Okay, so others can view the Sunit screen. Okay, so you guys can follow the same steps for the installation. Okay, so those who haven't downloaded the CentOS, please go ahead and download. In yesterday's class itself, I have told you it's around 12 GB of file. Okay, so if you downloaded both the things, we can go ahead with the installation right now. Okay, so just follow the steps, whatever I am saying right now, and do it in your mission. Yeah, Shalini, tell me. Shalini, you have any question? Okay, I hope she don't have anything. Yeah, so first of all, what you have to do is you have to open the VirtualBox Manager. Okay, so which we have downloaded in last class. Okay, so please type VirtualBox Manager. Yeah. Okay, so here this is the tool which we are going to create our VM here. Okay, so right now what we have, what you can see is you can see import, export, new one, add. So right now we are just going to create a new mission only. Okay, so you have to select new. Okay, so please select. Now, first of all, please maximize your screen. Yeah, exactly. So this is also, yeah. Okay, so here you guys can see the name is there. Okay, so first of all, in name, what you have to give, you have to mention your VM name. Okay, so you can give any name for your virtual machine. So you can give a name for your virtual machines. Okay, so next to that, you guys can see folder is there. So this is nothing but the folder of your Windows system. Okay, so the VM related things will be stored in your that particular path. See users, user, VirtualBox VM. Okay, so next to that, you guys can see ISO image is there. Here only we are just going to add our ISO image. Okay, so the ISO image, which is nothing but whatever we have downloaded. Okay, which is nothing but CentOS Stream 9. You have to select it from your system. Okay, so please click the drop down menu. So drop down icon is there. Please select that. Just click others.
Hello.
Yeah, Sunit, 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
Okay, so right now what you can see is he has selected the ISO image which he has downloaded in his system. Okay, so you guys can see once he select that particular ISO image, the type and subtype and version has been already selected. You guys can see next to that particular thing, type is there, Linux, subtype Red Hat, version Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, so you can see skip unattended installation is there. So please select that. Please give next. So don't do anything. Once you click next, you will see the hardware details of that particular virtual machine. Have you selected that, Sunit? It's not showing to us. Please click next. Yeah. So hardware is there. So this is the processors and memory for our particular virtual machine to run. Okay. So we won't be doing any sort of things here. So please click next. Okay, so for our storage for our virtual machine, so here you guys can see this is virtual hard disk of around 20 GB has been already set. You guys can see it in the screen. Okay, so this is this hard disk, virtual hard disk. So you all know this is for the storage purpose. Okay, so please select next. Okay, so in the summary you can see the machine details, hardware and disk details. Okay, so whatever we have given before. Okay, so please click finish. So once you click finish, you guys can see so why you closed, Sunit?
No,
Is it
automatically got closed.
how it automatically? Can
I
you
don't
please
know.
select? Can you please click that again?
Sure. It automatically got closed.
Yeah. Let me check. Yeah. So it's created. You guys can see Sunit VM is there. So you can see in the left pane. So here what we are going to do is we are just going to do another thing also. Okay. So please click settings. Please select system. Please scroll. Yeah, please. You guys can see pointing device is there. So this pointing device, which is nothing but the mouse. Okay, so that in that particular VM, the mouse will not work inside the terminal. Okay, so for working on that particular thing, we have to select change the PS2 bar mouse to USB tablet. Because why we are changing? Because second option. Okay, so why we are changing? Because our mouse has to work inside that particular terminal. For that purpose, we are just choosing this. Okay, no, second one. You are just selecting the third one.
It's fine now.
Yes, just select OK and start your VM. Okay, so these are the things you have to do it in your VirtualBox manager. Okay, so please start.
Now what I have to do?
Start is there. You can see in top of next to settings. So please start. Yeah. Just wait for a minute. So what it's doing right now, we are just have added our CentOS to our virtual machine. Okay, so right now I'm just going to install my CentOS. Okay, so CentOS, which is nothing but my OS file. Okay, so please maximize your screen.
That's done.
Yeah. So here you guys can see three options are there. We are just going to choose the first option. So we are just going to install the CentOS Streamline. So please use your arrow marks. Okay. So just give up arrow and give enter. Up arrow in your keyboard.
Okay.
Yeah. Give enter. Yeah. So just wait for a minute. The CentOS stream will be installed in your machine.
Because mouse will not work. Okay.
Yeah. Just wait for some time.
Abhi, it is like a booting, right? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, Venkatesh. Yeah, it's booting. Our CentOS stream gets booted to our VM. So that is the process.
Okay.
Okay. So this is nothing but a language settings. Okay. So you can select the appropriate language and you can give continue.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is okay. Just give continue. Okay. So here you guys can see localization, software, and system is there. Okay. So right now what we are going to do is we are just going to select our hard disk in the installation destination. Okay. So please select the installation destination. Okay. So here what we are going to do is we are just going to select our 20 GB. You can see local standard disk is there.
Will I select this?
Just click it. Exactly. Just click that and give done. So this is for disk partition. Okay. So don't worry. I will let you know in the further classes what is disk partition, all sort of things. Okay. Just give done. So just wait for a minute. Okay. So can you please repeat these steps again, Sunit? No disk selected. It's showing us.
Will I click on done, right?
Exactly. Yes. Okay. So here you guys can see we have done the we have selected the disk partition for our storage purpose. Okay. So don't worry about the disk partition. So all I will be saying you in the next classes. Okay. So don't worry about it. So in the below you guys can see user settings, root password, and user creation is there. Okay. So this is the important step in the installation. Okay. So when it comes to Linux, as I already said, we are just going to work in the CLI. Okay, so which is nothing but command line interface, where you will be giving some sort of commands. For that you will get some sort of outputs like that will be there. Okay, so right now you guys can see in Linux there are three sort of users are there. Okay, so the first one is root user, second one is normal user, and third one is system users. Okay, so usually we will not work on the system users. System users are like inbuilt users. Okay, so only we will work on root user and normal user. Okay. So root user are nothing but he is like a admin user. Okay. So basically he will be having permissions and privileges, all sort of permissions and privileges by default. Okay. So whatever you are executing in root user, it will not show you as permission in it. It will be gets executed. That is the concept of root user. The next user, which is nothing but normal user. Okay, so normal users are nothing but we will be creating a normal user in our Linux environment. Okay, So for normal users, you will be having some set of permissions only will be there. Okay. So if you just want to give access to a normal user, only root user can able to do that. Okay. So
And
basically what I'm trying to say is in WhatsApp group, consider admin are nothing but a root and normal members are nothing but a normal users. Okay. So throughout in our entire Linux course, we are just going to work on the root user only because he is only having all sort of permissions and privileges.
Avi, do you have something PDF like to read for this site? Anything?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have Sunil.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. So right now what we are going to do is we are just going to select that particular root password and we are just going to set a password for our root user because we are just going to log in this particular root user in our terminal. So I will be showing you that also soon. Okay. So just select that root password. Give your phone number as root password because why I am saying means if you forget your root password, okay, so consider if you are forgetting your root password, it is very tedious task to regenerate it again. Okay, so for that particular purpose what I will say is please give your phone number as root password. Okay, please go ahead.
Will I just take 1, 2, 3, 4? That's it.
Yeah, that is also it will take. Yes.
I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, sure.
Is it okay?
No, it's too short. You can see it will not allow. You should give at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that.
I'm giving my mobile number.
Cool. Okay. So please select the second checkbox. So this is nothing but SSH login. I will tell you in further things. Don't worry. So please select the second option and give done. So select done. So when you click done, so automatically it will go to the next thing.
Okay. No.
Yeah, Sunit. In bottom of your screen, you can see begin installation. The thing is that you can click that and you can start the installation. Okay. So these are the things which I have explained in that particular video. Okay. So once you're done with the installation, we can able to use this particular CentOS in our virtual machine. Okay. Got it?
Got.
Any
Yes.
doubts for anyone?
No.
Hello, Abhi.
Yeah.
So I'm lagging in like in hardware, like it's a base memory processor.
Don't give anything there. Just give next.
Okay.
So next to that, you will get the hard disk. Don't
Yeah,
select,
virtual hard disk.
don't give anything, just give next.
Okay.
Just give finish.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So after that, you have to go to settings, go to system, change PS2 bar mouse to USB tablet. So once you've done that, you can start your virtual machine.
Your name is Abhishek.
Yeah, Venkatesh, tell me.
Yeah. So we can go with the EC2 also, right?
Yeah, you can follow that also, Venkatesh. If you have, you can follow. But usually for many persons, they will not having that EC2. So that's why I'm just choosing this.
So we should go with only CentOS.
You can go ahead with Ubuntu also. What is the OS you are having right now?
Windows.
You have no. Inside that EC2, you have when you choose Linux, you have lots of options, right? In that
Yeah.
particular, you can select the CentOS, right?
Okay.
If
So
it's there,
in
you
this-
can select that, or else you can select Ubuntu also.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Abhi, like in settings, you said something. I
system.
got System.
When you
Okay.
select settings, system option will be there.
Okay.
So yeah, just when you see there, you will see pointing device will be there.
Pointing device. Pointing device.
Just scroll down. It will be there.
No, it's not here.
Sunit, can you please go to your virtual box?
Yes.
Let me show you that. Please see the screen.
Please.
Go to settings. Select system. Second option. Yeah. So there you can see next to TPM pointing device is there, right? You can see it. It's in the disabled right now because we have started our mission.
Pointing device.
Please see the screen. You can see there next to TPM.
TPM. Can't see.
Go to extended features. Can you please highlight that Sunit, if you
This
have?
one actually. Pointing
Yeah.
device, USB
Huh.
tablet.
Yeah, yeah.
Then TPM is none. Chipset is PX3. Extended
Yeah,
features
I
enable
just-
all these things. USB tablet.
Yeah. So change to USB tablet, okay?
Okay. USB
That's it.
tablet.
Please start your, yeah. Then click OK. Please start your virtual machine. That's it.
Shall I just click on cancel?
Yeah, cancel. You can.
Sure.
It's showing like powering VM up.
Yes. When you start, it will go ahead with the powering of VM. Okay.
You have
Um,
password, right?
Sorry.
No. I mean, she choose the root password, everything.
Yeah. No. This is the starting of thing. So next to
Okay.
what she has to do is she has to install
Install send. It's like a send
first option.
OS.
First option.
Yeah, first option.
Please use
Abhishek,
your arrow keys. Yeah,
Yeah.
Venkatesh.
so you
Yeah, I
said
got some.
system user, right? So that is nothing but a service account you're talking about.
Yes, service account which will be already there in our system.
So here, the virtual in a virtual box, so it will utilize our the base system accounts to
No,
run the services.
it will not use that. Actually, when you log into that particular VM, so some system users will be there defaultly in our CentOS. So that will be there in that particular thing.
Okay. So it will not give an option to create, right?
No, we will not be handling those system users at all in real time. So we will be working on only 2 users.
Okay.
And Avi, like
Yes.
you told me that it's going to take 20 GB of disk space, right?
No, that
And
is not your disk space. No, that is not your Windows system. That is virtual hard disk.
virtual hard disk. Okay.
Yeah, it will not take your Windows size. Don't worry.
Okay. And in future, if it like if I need to install it, uninstall it, like I'll have to follow the same
You
process.
can directly delete your VM at all. You can directly delete. The delete option is there.
Okay, fair enough. Where is the option for delete? May I know that?
Please right click your VM.
Okay.
Right click.
Right click.
So Sunit is there, right? Just right click there.
Okay.
No, not there. You can see Sunit next to that arrow mark. Yeah. So here the remove is there, right? Next to export to OC. Yeah. So that is disabled right now because your virtual machine is on. So when you power off your machine, that remove button will be enabled. Then you can remove it.
So once it is removed and I don't need to remove any other settings, it will be gone completely from my.
No. See, you are just asking for deleting the VM, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So this is the thing. It will not
And if I,
ask you anything. You can go
okay,
ahead and remove. That's it.
got it. And if I want to completely remove everything, then what I have to do?
Everything means you will have 3 options will be there. Delete VM, delete all files, cancel. So usually you can give remove all files.
Got it. And also even I uninstall can also be done from the control panel, right?
Yeah. So if you don't need your virtual box itself,
Okay,
so you are asking that one, right? If you don't need your virtual box, you can uninstall it.
got it, got it.
Abhi, it's like showing root password and user creation.
Yeah. So just go ahead with root password.
Okay.
The user creation is not needed. We can do it in our terminal. So
Okay.
just go
So
ahead with root password, I think.
can I give anything in a password?
Just give your phone number.
Sure.
So in the present video, everything is same, right? Same process we have to follow.
Yes, Sunit. Whenever
Okay,
you just want to create another VM in your machine also means you can follow the same steps and you can create it.
fair enough. Fair enough. Thank you.
Abhi, after it has an option like lock root account, allow root SSH login with password.
Please enable the second option.
Okay.
Abhishek,
Yeah, Venkatesh.
so when we want to establish connection using putty,
Yeah,
so it will run on SHS protocol, right? So
exactly.
uh, it will use PEM key, right? I mean PEM file.
Sorry.
It will use PEM file, right, to authenticate.
For authentication, yes, it's used that only.
Okay, but how about in this case, like connecting the
Usually, from this virtual box, what we will do means, first of all, we will check our IP address. Okay.
Hmm.
So we will check our IP address and we will be giving directly to our putty. Okay. So
Mhm.
what it actually works means we will be doing the SSH login. That's it. Okay. So in that root password thing also, why I have told him to select the second checkbox, which is nothing but if he's not selecting the second checkbox, you can't able to directly log in that particular SSH. For that purpose only, I have told him to select
Yeah,
that.
no, I got it, but it says that SSH allow SSH connection with password. So you're saying we can utilize only IP to connect to establish a connection, right?
You can
So
also use
there's
hostname
no
also.
there is no authentication like that.
Authentication will be there. It will ask you in the first. See, whenever you are doing it for first time, it will ask you for the authentication from the putty tool itself. Okay.
Okay.
So at that time, it will ask you four things: allow once, connect all time, cancel. Okay. So if you just want to connect all time means you can click that. If you just want to allow once means at the next time if you are doing it again, it will ask you again the permission.
Okay. So will we
Like
give
this only it
password?
will work. You have to give password.
Okay.
You can't able to do the passwordless authentication. We are not doing that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no issues.
Abhi, can I start begin installation after root password?
Yes, go ahead.
Abhi, like after this installation designation, I've selected that and then set the root password. Now begin installation, right?
Yes,
Okay, nothing to do with the software and all.
nothing.
Okay.
So Abhi, you have those like PDFs to read, right? For all those you can read.
Sunit, I have shared you one virtual box PDF, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
You can refer it.
Sure, sure. So we will also be doing any installation for putty here, right?
Right now it's not needed, Sudhir, because
Okay.
like 50 percentage of portion completion. Yes. After that, I will tell you to download the putty. At the time, you can
Yeah,
download them.
while actually we are
Right
just
now, it's not
learning.
needed.
Right, right. I'm also just a fresher in this all these things, cloud and Linux and all that.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi Abhi, this is Pavitran here.
Yeah, Pavitra.
Installation process has been completed on my end. So do I need to click reboot system to reboot it?
Yes, yes, to reboot.
Okay,
So once, yeah, the installation is done, you can select the reboot system. So after
okay,
that, it will go to that particular Linux thing.
okay. So entire system will get rebooted, right?
Yes. No, no,
Okay,
only your
okay,
virtual machine.
okay, got it.
So it is taking time, right? It will take some
Surely it
time.
will take time, Sumit. I think around 15 to 20 minutes at least it will take, because
Yes,
all
yes.
things
That
to be
depends.
installed, right?
Packages, all those things. Right,
Exactly.
right.
Yeah.
Abhi, you've been very helpful. Thank you all for your support.
No issues.
How long this course will be?
Yeah, Venkatesh.
How many days this course will be?
Is this your first class?
Yeah,
It's around one and a half,
one and a
one
half.
month. One, yeah, around 1 month, 15 days, like that.
Okay. Monday to Friday, is it?
Yes, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9. I think lots of new joiners. Anyone joined today, guys, other than Venkatesh?
Yeah, it is done, Abhi.
Yes, Surit, you can click the reboot system.
Okay.
So once you click reboot system, actually that particular VM will reboot. So please select start setup. Yeah, no issues, Shall. Just give next. Okay. Skip this. Okay. So here what we have to do is we have to create a user account. Okay. So please create a user account with your name, Sunit. Give your name. Yeah. Just give next.
Just leave it, right? Only if Sumit is okay.
Yes. Give next. So this is like a security purpose. Whenever you are just log into your Linux, before using your terminal, you have to give this password. Okay. So Sunit, please follow the same password. Don't give any other password. Please give your phone number.
Uh, is this a root username?
Which one, Venkatesh?
We given one username, right? So
No. This is nothing but a, right? Whenever you are just buying a laptop, you will set up a password, right? For your when you are opening your laptop, you will set
okay.
up a password like that. For before using your Linux terminal, we are just setting up a password. For that, we are just creating a user account. That's it.
Okay, it is a general user, right?
General, yes, general user.
Okay.
Will I click
Yeah,
next?
next. Yeah. So all done. CentOS is already to be used. We hope that yeah, just start using CentOS stream. So this is the complete steps for the installation. Okay, so you guys have to see like this. Yes. Okay, so here what we are going to do is just give no thanks. Okay, so here you guys can see. So this is the exact CentOS thing. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, as I already said, we are just going to work on the CLI. Okay, so CLI are nothing but command line interface. Okay, so in this particular entire Linux course, as I already said, we are just going to work more on commands. Okay, because Linux itself is nothing but a command. Okay, so we will give a command as an input. For that, from the system, it will give you some sort of output. Okay, so like that only we will be doing. Inside it, we will be having some sort of concepts, all those stuffs. Okay, so right now we have to select the terminal. Okay, so you can select the fifth icon. Sorry, you can see fifth icon, and you can see the black screen is there. Yeah, you have to select that, which is nothing but the terminal. Okay. Yeah, Sunit, that VBox something is there. Okay, so that's please maximize your screen so others
And
can be put. Yeah,
how to do this?
please select that. Yeah, plus icon is there, right? No, 100% plus. No. Please right click, leave full screen. Can you please give leave, just select the triple icon? Yeah, no, 3 lines. No, Sunit. I am
Three
saying you
lines.
the 3 lines. Yeah. So in that one second. Yeah, plus icon is there. So please, yeah, select it, click that. Again, click that. Then only others can able to see your screen. Okay, I hope this is enough. Yeah, please drag your screen to the center. Yeah, that is enough. Yeah, enough. Okay, so what you guys can see. Yeah, just tell whatever you are seeing there. Just tell me.
We are able to see the CLI command line interface where we can type the commands.
Yeah,
And
that
now
you
we are
can.
in the
Yeah,
virtual
Sunit
box.
add VBox tilde sign dollar symbol is there. Okay, so that's what you can see. Okay, so let me go ahead with a few basic things here. The first thing you can see there, which is nothing but the name of the user which you have currently logged in. Okay, whatever you are seeing there. Okay, so before add, the word is there, Sunit, the name. Whenever you are seeing there, okay, so it's nothing but a user login. Okay, right now we have logged in that particular Sunit user. Okay,
And
but what
I
I
have a
have
question.
told, sorry,
I'm sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
And the name of the user, is it can be changed manually if we want to change it?
no, you can't able to change it manually. Let me tell you the
Okay.
command, don't worry. Okay, so next to do that, you can see at is there. So next to do that VBox, that VBox, which is nothing but the server name. Okay, so it may differ from one terminal to another terminal. Right now you guys can see there, which is nothing but VBox. This is nothing but the server name. Okay, so next to that, what you can see tilt symbol is there, which is nothing but the path which you are currently in. Okay, so let me tell it again, the path. So the path are nothing but when you work on Windows, so you will easily go from local disk C to local disk D, local disk D, all sort of things. You can easily go from one path to another thing. But here we have some sort of commands are there. So I will explain that also, don't worry. But in that particular tilt symbol, so whatever you are seeing there, which is nothing but the path which you are currently in. Right now you are in which path? You are in tilt path. So next to do that, you can see dollar symbol. That dollar symbol, which is nothing but non-root user. Okay, so whenever you are logged in some users, because Sunit is not a root user, he is a non-root user, which is nothing but a normal user. So whenever you are seeing a normal user, the dollar symbol will be there. So that denotes this is nothing but a non-root user. Got it? Any doubts for anyone?
So dollar basically represents the root user. Okay.
Non-root, not root.
Non.
Yeah. Okay. So let me explain it again. The first thing, Sunit, whatever you are seeing there, this is nothing but the user account which you are logged in. Next to that at VBox, which is nothing but server name. Next to that, you can see tilt symbol, which is nothing but the path which you are currently in. So next to that, you can see dollar, which is nothing but non-root user. Okay. So actually, I have told you in the first class itself, we are not going to work on the normal user. We are going to work on only on the root user. Why we are going to work on root user? Because root user is having all sort of access and privileges. So for that purpose, we are just going to switch to root right now. Okay, so right now we are in Sunit user. We are going to switch to root user. Okay, so the first command which we are going to see right now is su. Okay, so su is a command. Just type su. Okay, so whatever I'm saying, Sunit, you have to type it there. Okay, so su, which is nothing but the switch user command. Okay, so what is the exact meaning of switch user? You are just switching from one user account to another account. Right now we are in Sunit user. We are just going to work on, we are just going to switch to root. Okay, Sunit, don't give anything, just give control C, because we haven't mentioned our root user. Just give
Control.
control C to break the operation. Okay, so just give su space hyphen space root. Okay, so why I am giving root? Because I'm just going to switch to this particular root account. Enter. So right now it will ask you for the password. Okay, so we have already enabled the password for this particular root user in our installation process. Okay, so please type the password. The whatever you are just typing, it will not be shown in your screen because for the security purpose. So please type your password and give enter. Please type your phone number, that is your password, and give enter. Okay, so leave that warning message, please, you can ignore it. Okay, so right now what you can see, what is the difference you can see?
The username has been changed.
Exactly. That's what we have done. So we have, you can see the user account name has been changed because we are just going to work on root user, right? So right now our user account is root. You can see that. Okay. So this is how you have to switch it. Okay. So if you just want to switch back to Sunit means what is the command?
Like
SU hyphen Sunit.
Exactly. So SU space hyphen space Sunit. Okay. So from root to we are just going to switch to Sunit. But right now we are not going to do anything. No, no, no. We are not going to do anything. We are just going to work on root user only. Okay. So next thing. So next thing what we are going to do is you can see root at vbox tilt symbol and you can see the hash will be there. So the dollar will be replaced with hash. So when you see hash, that is nothing but the root user. Okay, so dollar, which is nothing but non-root user. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we are just going to change our current location. Okay, so right now we are in which location? You can see tilt symbol is there. That is our current path. Right now I am just going to change the path. Okay, so in our Linux introduction PDF, I have shared you in the group. In that particular one, you can see the top level directory will be there, which is nothing but slash. Okay, so in the first class itself, I have told you inside that particular slash, subtitle is okay for Mac. Mac is different. Who's pinging that? One second, guys. Surya. No, Surya, don't go ahead with DBN. Have you downloaded the CentOS file? Okay. So right now you guys can see we are in tilt path. I'm just going to change to the slash path. Okay. So why I'm changing to slash? Because in slash only you will have all sort of in slash path only you will have all sort of boot files, configuration files, system files, all files will be there. Okay, so we will switch to that particular path first and we will work and we will start our work. Okay, okay, so in here in particularly in Linux, whenever I'm just saying directory, okay, so I will call some things as directory. So directories are nothing but the folders. Okay, so whenever I'm mentioning directory means you have to think that as a folder. Okay, so we will call a file as a file and folder as a directory. Okay, so that's how it works here. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to change the path. As I already said, from tilt path to I'm just going to change to slash path. Okay, so how we can do? We have a command called cd. Okay, cd is the basic command in Linux which is used to enter into a directory, or when you just want to change the file location you can use this particular cd, which is nothing but change directory. Okay, so just give cd space slash. Enter. So when you hit enter, automatically the tilt path has been changed to slash path. Okay, so that's what you guys can see in his screen. Okay, so I have mentioned like in slash path you will see that files configuration system, like there lots of things will be there. Okay, so how we can check that? That is the next thing. You have to do ls. Okay, so ls is a command which is used to list the files and directories. Okay, so when I say directories are nothing but a folders. Okay, so just give ls give enter. So ls is a command which is used to list. Okay. Okay. So here you guys can see AFS, boot, etc, lib, media, opt, root, sbin, and like there a lot of things are there. Okay. So each and every thing you will have some sort of inbuilt default files will be located. Okay. So you may have a question, sir, in this particular entire thing. So which is folder and which is file? You may have a question, which is a directory and which is a file. Okay. So in color notations, we can able to denote, but that is not a good practice. Okay. So in order to denote whether it's a directory or a file, we have another command. Okay. So the command is ls space hyphen ltrh. Okay. So let me explain about this. Okay. Whenever when you do ls, what you can see, you can only see the file names. But when you give ls space hyphen ltrh, you will get a lots of details about a particular file or a directory. Okay, so what are the details you will get? Let me explain that. The first thing is permissions. Second thing is ownership. Third one is file size. Fourth one is creation of that particular file. Okay, so creation of that particular file, which is nothing but file date. Okay, so all these things you can able to see in that particular ls space hyphen ltrh command. Okay, so that's what you can see. Okay, so how to denote? How to denote whether a particular is a directory or a file? Okay. Can you please highlight the last one, Sunit? Please. Yeah. So there you can see before R, you can see D is there. Okay. Can you please able to see that? Are you able to see that? You can see before R, D is there. So wherever you are seeing D, which is nothing but a directory. Okay. So directories are nothing but a folder. Okay.
Now
So
it's
again, I'm
right.
saying, yeah. So D is there, right, before R. So wherever you are seeing the D, so they are nothing but a folder. Okay, so that's how you have to denote. In color notation means you have to go ahead with the dark blue color. You can see that. Okay. So other than D, what you can see?
Read, write,
No,
read,
leave that.
write.
Leave that. Other than what I'm saying is before R. So before R, you can
L.
see D is there. Another
Yeah.
thing is L.
L.
L is there. So L, which is nothing but linked file. Okay. So linked file are nothing but a shortcut file. Okay. Again, I'm saying linked file are nothing but a concept of shortcuts. Okay. So don't worry about it. I will go ahead with those concepts also. Okay. So wherever you are seeing L are nothing but a linked file. Okay. So wherever you are seeing D, which is nothing but a directory. So then what you will see for a file? Okay. You will not see anything. Okay. So let me tell you that also. Okay. So just give touch space, type touch. Touch is a command used to create a file in Linux. Okay. You because we don't see any sort of files here. For that purpose, I'm just creating a new one. Okay. Let me tell you that explanation. 1 second. Okay. So just give a file name.
What should I choose here?
You can specify any name to your file, like a new file.
Will I choose game?
Yeah. Okay. So how you can validate? You can give ls and you can validate. No,
So I just
just do
command
ls
to
space hyphen ltrh.
files. So this command will show you the list of files, right?
Yes, just give h. What you can see? Before RW, you won't see anything.
Yes. What exactly is this RW and RR?
RW is read and write. Next one is R write and read. Sorry, read and read. Okay, so that is nothing but we will give permissions for three things. One is for
Okay.
user, one is for group, and one is for others. Okay, so I will explain all those things. So right now, Shalini asked what is the explanation of that uh, LTRH. Okay, so
Yeah,
let me give
please.
you the LTRH thing. Okay, so -L, which is nothing but long listing format. Okay, so long listing format in the sense it will show permission, owner, size, date, all sort of things. Okay, so T, which is nothing but modification time. Okay, so whatever you are creating newly, it will be listed in the reverse order. What I'm trying to say is oldest files will be in the first, new files will be in the last. So that's what you can see. Game is there. So game is the newest file, but it's in the last one. So we are just reversing it. H, which is nothing but human readable. Okay, so human readable, when I say human readable, you can see the file size, right? H will be there, K will be there, M will be there. So that is the human readable format. That's it. Got it? So L, which is nothing but long listing format, T, which is nothing but modification time, R, which is nothing but reverse order, and H, which is nothing but human readable format.
Okay.
T you said modification uh, like it will display which are modified recently or what?
Yeah, modified recently in the sense you are just creating or something like that, right? That is the term called as modification.
Okay, so which are modified recently will be in last position.
Yeah, last only because we are just giving it in the reverse order, right? So
Yeah,
R is
reverse.
for reverse order. So newest files will be in the last and oldest files will be in the top. See, this is the exact explanation, but usually what I will say means you can use LS or LS LTRH. It's up to your wish because when you give LS, it will show you the file name. When you give LS space hyphen LTRH, hardly you will use this LS space hyphen LTRH for that particular directory denotion or file denotion because usually if you if you practice more in Linux means you will obviously get to know which are files and which are directories. Okay, so other than this, if you just want to see the permission means there is no other way, you have to give ls space hyphen ltrh only. Okay, so for that purpose only we will be doing all these things. Okay, got it?
Okay.
So I'm just stopping here for today, so I'm not going to take much comments. Okay, so I have given only few things today. I know that su command, cd command, and touch command, and ls and ls hyphen ltrh. Okay, so these are the basic things, and I have told you how to denote a particular directory or file, all sort of things. Okay, just keep in mind all these things and try to practice in your terminal. Okay, so those who are all L instead of T, please.
Is
Already
it
I have
getting
tell you
auto
that
save?
Shalini. Sorry.
Is it getting auto save? How will I
No,
close this?
let me complete one second.
Oh,
Shalini, the L, which is nothing but linked file, which is nothing but a shortcut. Okay. Yeah. So how to save this particular one? Okay. So you can see into in the top right, multiplication symbol is there. Top right. Top right.
this one, right?
No, in your yeah, next to do that. Just click that. When you close your window, you will see three options. If you just want to save the mission state, current mission state means you can select the first one. If you don't want to save means you can select the last one. That's it.
Okay.
So usually you will save your mission state, right? So you are power offing. Okay, fine. If you power off, whatever you have done, it will not be there. Okay, so it
So
will not save.
what would you recommend the best option we should choose?
You can save, Sunit, because anyway you're just going to use your virtual box, right? You can save.
Yes.
When you
No,
start it again, it will open from the last where you have closed.
okay.
So saving VM state, that's it. Okay. You can follow the same for the rest of the things.
Abhi,
Yeah.
like once I get into this CentOS, it is asking for the login where it is asking for the domain. Which domain should I like select?
What domain? Domain instance?
Like once we install it and we set up the
Think
CentOS,
online account, right? You are saying?
yeah, it is start setup, and I click on next, and it is asking me to connect your online accounts.
Skip that.
Okay, I just skipped. It is asking me for the domain, like direct username and password. It did not
Yeah,
allow
you
me to
can give
choose.
your username. You can give your name and you can set up a password.
It is not asking me to set up a password. It is directly asking me a password.
Please share your screen.
Yeah, are you able to see?
Yeah, I can see that. Go to previous.
Okay.
Please go to previous again.
Okay, I'll
Previous.
start from the beginning. So
Yeah,
this
sure.
this is start setup.
Yeah.
Like I click on next, right?
Yeah.
I skip this part.
Yeah.
So it is directly asking me this enterprise login.
Just click the domain drop down.
Problem is also not there.
When you click that, it's not showing anything.
No, it's not showing anything.
Okay. Enterprise login allows an existing essentially.
So Avi, once I start the virtual manager, I just need to click on start, right?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Shall I
Tejas, can you
go
please
for-
confirm whether you have installed the CentOS 9?
Yeah, this CentOS 9.
9 only, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Shall I
So
just go to file, click on quit right now?
yeah, you can close it, Sunit. We have saved the mission state.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. They just click that VM. Please scroll down. Can you please click that enterprise login again? Please go up. Give next.
Okay, now it is asking.
Please set up the password. Please give your phone number. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Oh,
Yeah, you can use it.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no issues. Okay. Yeah, guys. So please follow the recordings. Okay. So if you have any doubts, first of all, please check your recordings, whatever I have taken today. So in case if you have any doubts, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.